Okay, today guys, I'm gonna try and fix our service floor pump. This one is leaking air every time I press this, and it doesn't really work anymore. So what I'm planning to do is use a super glue on the piston ring or the valve, or second, I can get the internals of the new giyo portable pump and then install it on the old adapter. Or third one, we can buy a completely new adapter. It's like cheap $2 online, but I can't go and order one as it will take several days, and we need the pump later on. So I think best thing for me to do is remove the valve and the internals on this portable and working giyo pump, same brand, and see if it will fit on the floor pump to make this thing work. The gluey thing, maybe I'll do another video on this, but this is just another option that you may want to try. I'm going to show you the valve later on. Let me just grab my lunch. I'd like to show what's going on with this service floor pump. This is a giyo air supply, like the band. Been using this since 2014. Was about to buy a new one, a complete brand new giyo service floor pump, but I think we can do something about it in less than an hour. So first, let me show you what's going on. So we are on American valve or Schrader valve. So when I plug this in, air is coming out even though it's locked. So here we go. There you go. It's not working. It should be something like this. So when you plug this in, you lock it. There's no hissing sound, and it should work. Same with other brands. This is an MOB portable tire pump. Same deal. It's working perfectly just like the black one. See, if the lever is on, it's not hissing or it's not losing any air, and it's working fine. Yeah. Alright. So first, I need to remove the internals on this, and we need where's my Torx driver? First thing we want to remove is the pin. It's like a lock pin. The tricky part over here is that there's like a the right side of the pin is like there's like a notch or like a thread, but it's not really a thread. So you may want to punch this out on the left side of the lock pin. So here we go. This is just a masking tape. If you have other tool where you can perfectly lie down the adapter, that will be much better. But this is what I have at the moment. And then I only have a sit post as a hammer. I do have a rubber mallet, but I don't want to use it. It goes out. So here's the pin with the, it's not really a thread, it's like a notch. Then you just pull this out. If it's too hard, then just use a long nose or pliers. And remove the lever, remove the plastic lock. Go, and then just push out the internals using the precision driver. There's the rubber adapter for American valve and French plastic Schrader, and press the valves adapter. And then here's the main problem on the valve or the piston, but it looks like piston ring. It even has like rubber. Our main problem is that this one is already cracked. Here you go. As you can see, it's already cracked. I'm planning to use super glue, apply it all the way till the bottom part, but it will take, I don't know, 24 hours for this to dry up, so maybe I'm just going to do a separate video about it. So what I'm planning to do right now is just grab the internals on the new giyo short pump and then transfer it on the floor pump. So let's just set this aside. Oops, my bad. Then we're gonna do the same thing. Left, I'm gonna punch out the left. I think I only need to push this one. Oh, there you go. Nice. I've been removing this like since yesterday. Go, same deal, same steps. Okay, okie dokes, and then you can use your finger and remove the internals. They're quite the same because same brand, but the piston or the valve on the portable is way much longer. There you go. So where's the old one? Here's the old one on the right. It's kind of shorter, but this will work. And the new one, double O-rings. Comparing it, and this is the old one on the right. It does have a crack. The new one, it's completely flat, clear, no cracks. So here we go. We're gonna try install it. Just push the piston or the valve like so. Flat top. And go push it. And then we want to set it to American valve or Schrader. And then the rubber. But don't use the lock. It's kind of hard to install back the pin if we're gonna install the lock first. So I'm gonna use I'm gonna use the old levers and old pins since it's way much more compatible. So I'm also gonna use the old lock. Set them aside. Let's install back the pin. You just need to align the lever. There's like a hole over there. You need to align it, and then first thing to go inside the hole or after you align it is the one with no thread or no notch. And there you go. Then just use a hammer or seat post, punch it, right, flushed, clean, and then install back the plastic lock or cap. And it's not doing, oh, there you go. It's much harder to turn the valve since we have double O-rings installed. Let's see if this one will work. Will there be hissing sounds or what? Oh, here we go. And where's my long nose? There you go. Voila. It's not leaking anymore. I think I can use it. Yep. Now working fine. It's not hissing anymore. Now to at least prove to you guys that this piston ring or valve is indeed busted, we're going to install it on the portable pump. So same steps. Rubber. Installing the lever. It's much easier to install the lever without this cap, because if you install this, it's really hard to get an alignment. To align the hole, there you go, completely aligned. I can see. Okay, or maybe not. God darn. It's giving me a hard time. What the hell? A while ago it was so easy to install. Again, this is the smooth part. There you go. Okay. Alright. Sit post. With the boom, right? Install this back. There you go. Same problem from step 1. It's hissing even though it's locked. It's losing some air, and we don't want that. Another way to check if your experiment or DIY is working, make sure that you deflate the tire first, completely remove the air, and we are done. Almost finished with this. Destroy it yourself or do it yourself. Okay, as you can see, it's flat, completely flat. So I'm gonna install the what you call it, floor pump adapter, and then I'm gonna see if this one is working. It should rise. Holy schmuck. The only problem that I cannot fix is the gauge. But I'm okay with this. It's now working, and I can now use the service floor pump. I don't have to buy a new one. I'll just wait for this pump to explode. So far she's working. Completely filled up with air. And there you go. Now have. So if you want to give it a shot, go ahead. You can completely just buy a new adapter like this. Amazon, eBay, or any online store out there. Just need to remove it like so. That's the fastest way to fix it, but you have to wait a couple of days. Or if you have a working portable floor pump, same brand, you just get the internals and then transfer it to your service floor pump. Or you can use the super glue. Maybe next time I'm going to try and upload that and see if it will work. I think that will work. It's a long shot. Anyway, that's just all for our little destroy it yourself experiment. Anyway guys, see you next time. So adios.